Hello, I'm Dr. Dami Kabiao, and I'm recording a short tutorial for you on how to access companies' financial filings on the SEC's website. The SEC has a database called Edgar, so I'm going to type SEC Edgar, and on that database, there is a bunch of company filings that individuals can have access to. I mean, you can also have access to these filings through the company itself. You can go to the company's website and you have the ability to download it. But I have a preference for the SEC's website because you can download multiple companies' filings and multiple filing types from them. So we want to go to the filings and forms page. Make sure when you click on this website, you're going to www.sec.gov/Edgar, because there's another website called Online Edgar or something like that. It's not the one you want. This is the one you want. I'm going to click on it, and there's an option to search for company filings. I'm going to click on that. It brings up this page where you can do so much. I'm going to advise you to spend some time getting to know the contents of this page. I don't need all of these. I'm just going to search for company or fund name and then find the filings that I want. So let's put Apple in here. It comes up with a bunch of alternatives for what this could be. I want Apple Company. I already know the ticker, so I suppose I could have searched for the company by ticker symbol. Now there's a bunch of files. We've got 8Ks and 10Qs and all the rest. I'm going to be downloading the 10K filings. That is the company's audited annual financial statement. So type 10-K, press enter, and a bunch of files show up. Now, again, you can download the document, the same one you find on the company's website, or you can download an Excel file that gives you all of the information you want. So let's do the interactive data first. That's how I usually access the company's filings. Now, the financial statements are broken up into pieces. If you want financial statement, you would usually go to financial statement and pick one, and it will display nicely. If you want, you can copy and paste this page and use it in your files or your documents or for whatever you want to use it for. Since I'm usually analyzing companies' data, I go for the Excel document. If you click on View Excel File, all of the filings download into convenient Excel spreadsheets. Now, there's an abundance of good things in here. But because it's so many files, you end up with a lot of spreadsheets. That's okay because you can delete what you don't want, right? So let's click on View Excel Documents. While it's downloading, I'm going to go back and look at the document file. So I'm going to click on Documents. Oh, my Excel spreadsheet has finished downloading. I'm going to click on it and give it time to open. So let's go back to the documents. Up here you have the 10K and different exhibits. I'm going to click on the full filing because that is what we want. It loads the form, and essentially it is the same as you will find on the company's website. It's the full filings, header, notes, financial statements, everything is in here. I'm not going to go through it, but if you are interested, everything is here. Now let's go back to the Excel spreadsheet I was talking about. Here is what that Excel spreadsheet looks like. Let's enable editing so I can do with it as I please. And look at that. We've got the header files. We've got the statement of operations. This is the statement of net income. We have a consolidated statement of comprehensive income. You have your balance sheet. You have your statement of shareholders' equity, I think that is, and statement of cash flows, as well as information. Here is the document for the summary of accounting policies, revenue recognition policies, on and on and on. It's a lot, right? So I'm going to click here so you see. Still scrolling. It's a lot of files. So what I normally do, if I need just the financial statement, is I might download all of the documents and delete everything else, or even simpler to do is just copy the 3 files or 4 files that I need and put it in the next another Excel workbook. So that is the full tutorial on how to access data on the SEC's website. Hope that was helpful to you.